Hello, this is Yousef. Welcome to my show. And tonight I'm gonna make a Kashk-e Bademjan, which is a cousin of Lebanese food Baba Ganoush. The difference is this one with the whey, the other one mixed with the yogurt. And usually this is for the hors d'oeuvre, and also people they eat it with their even if with the hors d'oeuvre or the main food with the bread. Either is a lavash, sangak, or pita bread. And the main ingredients is, as it says, it's going to be an eggplant. Eggplant, there is a different kind of eggplant. I use this kind because I like this way, and it's going to be my way. Mostly they saute those, and I'm going to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes and cook it. Then I just peel it off. Also, this is usually when I make it is like a 6 or 8 eggplant, which is for the hors d'oeuvre and a party that we have. But tonight I'm gonna make a little bit because my wife wants it, and just make it personal. But you can, change the, the amount that you want based on the ingredients, and you also add those spices too. So as I said, the main is this one. I'm gonna poke a little bit the hole because I'm gonna put it in the oven. I don't want to explode there. So as the steam goes out when it's cooking, it's about gonna, as I said, 45 minutes. Then the other one is gonna be whey and dry mint, which is about 3 to 4 tablespoon dry mint, and 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, oil. I have 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, actually 5 or 6, and 1 medium size onion, which is thinly sliced. And I'm gonna saute these two, also the dry mint. I'm gonna show you when and how. First, I'm gonna put this in the oven for 45 minutes, and I'm gonna show you when I'm taking it out. See you. While the eggplants are in the oven, I'm going to saute the onion, garlic, and dry mint. Now it's nice and golden. Now it's the time to add the turmeric to our onion. Okay, I think it's the time to take it off the oven. It seems it's cooked already. Watch them, don't burn yourself. And I'm just gonna peel them off. The best way is just have an ice water, just dip it in and take it out and peel it off. So I usually I don't have ice today, just put a cold water. Just let's go there, very simple, easy task. Goes in there, and I'm gonna take it off and peel them off easily. Now I'm going to put the cooked eggplant into the pot that I made the onion, and I just at the same time I'm gonna add the salt, and pepper at the same time. Let it cook about 10 to 15 minutes. Then after that I add the whey, and we're gonna be done. Beside the pepper and the salt, needs to put half of the garlic and half of the mint in it, and the rest for the garnish with. It's time for the next step to put the kashk in, and maybe about another minute or so it's going to be cooking, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it in a different plate and garnish it and serve it. The kashk is actually, I don't measure that. It might be about like a, because it's heavy, I have to reduce it with the adding a little bit of water. So it's just about a cup and a cup and a half. It depends on your taste. You can put it more or less. So that's a personal choice. Okay, so I'm done. Okay, here's our Kashk-e Bademjan, which is not only beautiful, but it's gonna be delicious. You can eat it with the bread, as I said. I'm gonna love this food, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be delicious. And you make it the way that I made it, and let me know how yours gonna be turn out to be. And just share this and subscribe and let everybody knows. See you next time.